This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the applications and make them larger on your Android tablet. We can just hold down on the home screen here, go to home screen right here for the settings. And then for the layout, if we change the layout to something smaller like 5x4, you can see the icons got a little bit bigger. So we can just go to this now, and usually I think 6x4 is pretty good for me. Now another way we can do this is if we go to the top right and go to settings, scroll on down to display. So find display, tap this, and then go to where it says display size and text. Tap this, and then we got the font size, and then we got the display size. So this is what it looks now. This really isn't going to change the home screen at all, just all your different menus. So you can see how large everything is in here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.